Okay, guys, we're going on a. Carson, you're going the wrong way.
Oh yeah.
We're going on a nature trail. Gonna go under the branch. It's a really fun trail, guys. We're gonna go walk down through the road too. So, yeah. I love walking through this trail. Carson, there's a nest up there.
I know. I showed it at him.
You didn't zoom in. Where is it? It's the way up there.
Where'd it go? I lost it. Wait, right there.
There it is. There's a nest up there. Not be able to see it.
Is that thunder?
No, it's just a plane. That was thunder.
Can we do this quickly?
Yeah, let's run. Run.
No, it's jog, not run. If it starts raining, we're gonna have to quit the video. It's hard to.
I'm just gonna do this quickly. It's thundering.
Yeah, and I don't want to get my iPod wet. It is not waterproof.
It's okay if you get just a little water on it.
I know, but if it gets poured on.
Let's go quickly. Hopefully.
Okay, we're on the road.
Let me catch up.
I'll just show you the other side of the forest.
Walking down the road.
Addison,
What?
it's sort of showing you.
I love going down. Here comes the skate park.
Yep, because. What is making that noise?
One time, I took a video while I was on my bike. It did work off. Did work out.
Did your iPod fall off?
I don't think so. We're almost back, guys.
Over there.
Yeah, down there.
That little house white thing.
Not little. So when we walk up the driveway, make sure it's not showing anyone through the door.
I will.
We want to be on this side. 'Cause this side is facing.
I know. But I should be in front of you so it doesn't show us.
Your camera's moving. How long did it take us?
Probably about. Took us 3 minutes.
It took us 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you said it took us 30.
It felt like a minute. It felt like 30 seconds.
Yeah, you said it felt like 30 seconds. Time goes by while you're moving.
So that's the end of this video.